Hello, friends. Welcome to Know English, your place to learn English with interesting stories. Today, we will learn English through a famous story called The Lion and the Mouse. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, a mighty lion was sleeping under a tree. Suddenly, a little mouse ran over his body. The lion woke up angrily and caught the mouse in his huge paws. I will eat you, the lion roared. The mouse, trembling with fear, said, Please forgive me, O king of the jungle. One day I might help you. The lion laughed loudly and said, How can a tiny creature like you help me? But fine, I will let you go. A few days later, the lion was trapped in a hunter's net. He roared in anger and pain. The little mouse heard his cries and rushed to help. The mouse began to chew the ropes of the net. Soon the lion was free. Thank you, little friend, said the lion. You saved my life. The mouse replied, Even small friends can be great helpers. Let's learn some new words from the story. Mighty, very strong or powerful. Bahut shaktishali. In this story, a lion forgives a mouse, and later the mouse helps the lion escape from a trap. The moral is, no one is too small to help others. Kindness is always rewarded. If you like this story and learned new words today, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to NerEnglish for more English learning stories. See you in the next video.